Hi everyone, so today's video is looking at this 20-inch Lightbar, and we're going to be installing this on the Hamer front bar today. So let's have a look to see how well we get on. Okay, so the problem I've got is that the holes that are in the bar here, there's a hole there, there's a hole there, hole, they don't line up with the brackets that come with the LED light bar. So what I've done is I fashioned two other brackets which I can just fix to inside these holes, and it'll actually hold the light bar in place. I'll just bolt these up and bolt them in, and they work, but they actually fit because there's a bit more flexibility on these brackets. So that actually is much better than to use the existing brackets. So these will be fine. So let's go with this. Okay, to make sure I've got the wiring all set up here, what I'm going to actually do is I'm going to just take this top off, possibly take this off, refix this because I think there's a little bit loose here with some of the ties, get hold of the nuts that I need to tighten underneath here, and run the cable up to the relay box over there. Okay, so there you go, installed, ready to run. Okay, so already wired up to the relay box, so let's do a test run. Okay, back to the switch panel, and if you've watched the previous videos you will have seen that I've used number 3, which I think is number 3 here for the ditch lights, number 2 here for the floodlights, and I'm now going to wire up the light bar to number 1. So switch panel is on, test run. Nice job, looking good. So we've got numbers 1, 2 and 3 now all wired up. Perhaps I'll start to stick some stickers on here soon, but that's it for today. So look out for how we're going to add various accessories to the other 3, 4, 5 and 6, and like and subscribe and you'll get to find out.